Hello, welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 2018 68 Reg M Sport Shadow Edition 125D 3-door hatch. As you can see, the vehicle is presented in the Melbourne red, and alongside that we have added a Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit. Being a Shadow Edition, does come very nicely equipped. Also comes with some extras on top of that. It is a facelift car, so you will see the LED headlamps up front, the 18-inch Shadow Edition alloy wheels we just had professionally refurbished in high gloss black. You will see the M Sport Plus brakes, once again thanks to the car being a Shadow Edition. We've also had the mirror caps fully refreshed in high gloss black. Also, you do also get the privacy glass down the side of the car. You can see once again it's an extremely clean and tidy example. We've added the high gloss side vinyls. The interior for the car does come with a full black Dakota leather with the wonderful M highlight option. It does come with the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. Again, another rare option for any of the 1 Series range, especially so being a 125D. Harman Kardon surround sound, which is of course always a very sought after feature. We've got a Isofix rear bench with the lovely darkened M Sport headline, and of course, and as you can see, all of the interior matches the exterior on this vehicle for being very clean and tidy. It is a stunning looking car thanks to not only the additions we've made, but being that Shadow Edition does feature darkened rear LED lights. You can see there that satin rear spoiler. Round the back we have got rear parking sensors alongside the very nice darkened exhaust tips. Whilst we open up the boot and yourselves can take a look round there, it is of course now worth mentioning we are operating a click and collect service here at Your Next Car. So to find out more about not only that, you can find out more about this wonderful car alongside all of our other vehicles. Simply follow the links down below in the description and you can read all about how we are operating that click and collect service. And we shall now go on board this car and I'll run you through some of the major talking points and features of a very rare, very nicely spec'd 125D M Sport Shadow Edition. So as soon as you enter the car, you're greeted by the facelifted LED backlit display dashboard. We do of course also have the BMW business navigation and media screen. It's covered just over 29,000 miles. In terms of having that facelifted iDrive system, you can see there does also come with Connected Drive Plus, which gives you access to all of the online search, news and weather apps. A really user-friendly system in terms of your sat-nav. You've got Bluetooth for comms and audio, and there is both DAB as well as all of your regular USB and AUX inputs. We've got both the cruise and speed limiter options on this car, as well as voice and volume controls, and I did of course touch upon the magnificent 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. So thank you all for taking the time to watch this walk around. I do of course hope you found it useful, and as I mentioned, to find out more about both the car and of course the click and collect service, all you have to do is simply follow the links down below, take you through to our website, and it is a really easy website to navigate. Thanks guys, take care, and we shall hopefully see you soon. Bye bye.